Imagine standing in a room full of people speaking English, and for once, you're not frozen. You're not translating in your head. You're not scared of being laughed at. You just speak. That moment isn't luck. It isn't talent. It's the result of small steps you can start taking right now, in the next 5 minutes. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what those steps are. Before we dive in, I want you to answer one question honestly. Why do you want to speak English fluently? Maybe it's confidence. Maybe it's a job opportunity. Maybe you just want to say what's in your head without freezing up. Whatever it is, keep that reason close, because this isn't really a video about grammar rules or vocabulary lists. It's about becoming someone who isn't afraid to use their voice. Here's the good news. Fluency isn't some rare gift a few lucky people are born with. It's a skill built the same way any skill is built, one small, repeatable action at a time. Think of it less like flipping a switch and more like learning to ride a bike. Wobbly at first, then suddenly you're just doing it. So let's break this down together, step by step, like a friend walking beside you instead of a teacher lecturing at you. Here's a trap almost everyone falls into: waiting to feel ready, waiting until grammar feels perfect, waiting until they know enough words. But here's the truth. That waiting room has no exit. The only way out is to start before you feel ready. You need 3 things, and none of them are talent: courage, consistency, and a starting point. That's it. Before any child says a single word, they spend months just listening, absorbing sounds, rhythm, and patterns. You're going to do the same thing, just faster. Pick simple, slow sentences, something like, "I'm going to the market." Don't analyze it, just notice how it sounds, how it flows. Do this daily, even if it's just 10 minutes squeezed in between other tasks. Here's the part that surprises people. Showing up for 10 minutes every single day beats a single exhausting 1-hour cram session followed by 3 days of nothing. Small and steady wins this race. Once you've listened, don't stay quiet. Repeat it out loud. Say, "I'm going to the market," again and again. Your mouth needs to practice just as much as your ears do. Yes, it'll feel awkward at first. Your voice might wobble. That's not a sign you're failing. That's just what learning feels like before it becomes comfortable. Push through that early discomfort. It doesn't last. Never repeat a sentence you don't understand. If you hear, "She is cooking food," make sure you actually picture her cooking. Attach meaning to every phrase, not just sound. Language sticks when it connects to something real, not when it's memorized like a string of random noise. A lot of learners try to jump straight into complicated sentences, stumble, feel embarrassed, and quit. Skip that entirely. Start with simple, sturdy sentences like, "I'm tired," "I like tea," "I'm learning English." Think of each simple sentence as a single brick. One brick won't impress anyone, but stack enough of them and you've built a house that stands strong. Talk to yourself, seriously. Stand in front of a mirror and introduce yourself out loud. Your name, where you live, what you're learning. It might feel silly. Let it feel silly. The mirror won't judge you, and that makes it the safest place on earth to practice. This is where the real shift happens. Right now, you probably think in your native language first, then translate, and that translation step is exactly what slows you down and tangles your thoughts. So shortcut it. Look at a cup and think, "This is a cup." Glance at your phone and think, "This is my phone." Step outside and think, "It's hot today." These tiny, direct thoughts retrain your brain to skip the translation entirely. Forget rare, complicated words for now. Focus on the words you'll actually use constantly. Eat, drink, go, come, give, take. Build simple sentences with them. I eat breakfast. I go to work. Repeat them until they feel automatic. Here's the key idea. Words don't become yours because you read them in a list. They become yours when you actually use them. Natural-sounding English isn't built from textbook sentences. It's built from common shortcuts. Instead of "I am very, very tired," try "I'm exhausted." Instead of "I do not understand," try "I don't get it." These small swaps are what make you sound like a real speaker, not a robot reading a script. Move beyond structured lessons and watch actual conversations, interviews, vlogs, casual chats. Notice the pauses, notice the tone shifts, notice the smiles. Because fluency isn't just words lined up correctly, it's rhythm, emotion, and expression layered on top. This might be the single most important mindset shift. Fear shuts fluency down, but mistakes actually build it. Say, "he go to school," catch yourself, correct it to "he goes to school," and just like that, you've leveled up. Now, if someone laughs, remember, people often laugh at what they don't have the courage to attempt themselves. Let that motivate you instead of stopping you. And remember, fluency was never about speaking fast. It's about speaking clearly and confidently. Speed comes naturally with time. Chase clarity first. Structure beats randomness. Try this. 10 minutes of listening in the morning, 10 minutes of speaking practice in the afternoon, 10 minutes of thinking in English in the evening. 30 minutes a day, repeated consistently, adds up to massive change over a few months. Writing might feel unrelated to speaking, but it's secretly one of the best tools for it. Jot down simple sentences about your day. I woke up early, I had breakfast, I went to work. Writing forces your thoughts into order, and ordered thoughts come out as smoother speech. If you have a friend learning alongside you, practice simple back-and-forth exchanges. "How are you?" "I'm fine, thanks." "What are you doing?" "I'm studying." No partner available? Talk to yourself. It genuinely works just as well for building comfort with conversation. Don't expect a transformation in 7 days. Think of this like planting a seed. You water it daily, but you don't dig it up every morning to check if it's grown. Trust the process and keep showing up. You already pulled off something incredible once before. You learned your first language as a toddler with 0 formal lessons. You absolutely have the capacity to learn this one too. Tell yourself, "I can speak English," and mean it. Your self-talk quietly shapes your actions, and your actions shape your results. Once single sentences feel comfortable, link them using simple connectors. And, but, because. I'm tired, but I'll keep working. I'm learning English because I want better opportunities. These small words turn choppy speech into a natural flow. Describe your day out loud in simple English. I woke up, I had coffee, I went for a walk. Then go a step further. Ask yourself questions and answer them. Why am I learning English? I'm learning to grow and speak without fear. This back and forth keeps your brain actively working in English, not just absorbing it passively. Storytelling glues isolated sentences into flow. Start basic. Yesterday, I went to the market. I bought some fruit. Then I came home. Once that feels easy, add detail. I went because I needed fruit. It was crowded, but I found apples and bananas. Watch how naturally your storytelling expands over time. Don't chase someone else's accent. Chase clear pronunciation instead. Open your mouth fully, slow down, and let each word land. Going to instead of a rushed mumble. Style can come later. Clarity comes first. Pick a topic, food, family, hobbies, and talk about it for just 60 seconds. I love rice. My favorite dish is biryani. I eat it with my family. Switch topics daily. This bite-sized habit builds momentum fast because it's small enough that you'll actually stick with it. Here's something most people get backwards. They wait to feel confident before speaking, but confidence is the result of speaking, not the requirement for it. Speak nervously, shakily, imperfectly. Confidence catches up afterward every single time. Let's bring it all together. Fluency isn't talent. It's a process built from small daily actions. Listening, repeating, and thinking in English train your brain to skip translation. Mistakes aren't setbacks. They're proof you're actively learning. Consistency beats intensity every single time. Confidence shows up after you speak, not before. Broken English spoken out loud beats perfect English left silent in your head. 6 months from now, you'll either be someone who waited or someone who practiced daily and transformed. The choice is made one small decision at a time, starting today. If this gave you a clear roadmap for your English journey, do me a favor, hit that like button so more people struggling with the same fear can find this video. Subscribe, because this is just step 1 of a much bigger journey we're going to take together. And in the comments, tell me this: what's one sentence you're going to say out loud today? Write it down below. I want to see it. You didn't come this far to stop here. Speak today, not tomorrow, today.